Hello, my name is Álvaro Gutiérrez, an independent entrepreneur from the Gano Cafe Fitness Project. Today, I want to share how, through my entrepreneurial work, I promote professional and personal well-being from a holistic perspective, combining health, productivity, and quality of life. As an independent entrepreneur, I understand that well being depends not only on work, but also on healthy habits, prevention, and a balance between body and mind. That's why in my project, I apply strategies that foster a culture of well-being for both myself and the people I collaborate with. At Gano Cafe Fitness, I promote activities that strengthen the physical, mental, and emotional health of entrepreneurs and employees. These activities include preventing health campaigns focused on promotion responsible consumption of healthy foods, hydration, and adequate rest. Active breaks and stretching exercise help reduce stress, improve circulation, and maintain focus throughout the workday. Recreational and sports activities such as basketball or young work groups foster teamwork, discipline, and positive energy. Safety and prevention weeks were topics such as ergonomics, self care, and the balance between productivity and herd are reinforced.